Hi everyone. Chapter 2 of your book gives tips for conveying data visually when what you really need to do is highlight a single number. One of the things the book talks about in detail is why pie charts and donut charts are really not good choices for conveying data unless what you're wanting to convey is a single number. Here in this first pie chart, there's a heavy reliance on the vision and the spatial reasoning of the audience to pick up on which wedges are of different size when they're close together. For example, is the A wedge or the C wedge bigger there? It's hard to tell. Yet in the second pie chart, where only one difference is emphasized, it's very easy to see that distinction between pass and fail. So when you're trying to highlight just one quantity compared to everything else, such as with the second pie chart, then a pie chart or a donut chart is a good choice. Other alternatives are icon charts and waffle arrays. Icon charts use an image to convey one group versus a second image conveying a different group. Here again, showing that pass-fail rate, we have an icon chart, and right beside it, a waffle chart. Waffle arrays use a colored grid, where two colors are implemented, one to represent a value of emphasis, and second to represent everything that's not within that value. Again, the same information conveyed in that second pie chart is conveyed here in this waffle array. Now imagine that it's important to show all of those grade ranges from the first pie chart, the A's, B's, C's, D's, and F's. But really the key point behind your infographic is just one of those values. In this case, a bar chart might be what you need, but you're going to have to color strategically. Here, this bar chart is designed to show the number of students that earned an A. Bar charts are much easier than pie charts and donut charts in visually conveying small differences, and using one distinct color to emphasize your group of interest versus all other groups helps that number to pop out. The last section of the book talks about showing variability. Here's the bar chart from our prior slide with error bars on it showing the variability between each of those A, B, C, D, and F groups. Once again, the A group is given a distinct color, but the colors are all muted because when variability is your main point, you want to make sure that eyes go to that variability. So you would want to use a lot of transparency in your bars. Your book walks you through ways to develop each of these types of charts using Microsoft Office. I encourage you to take time this week to practice those skills.